Okay, so in case of decimal number, the base is what? In case of decimal number, the base is 10, and in case of binary number, the base is 2. So here, when the base is 10, so how many symbols this will going to use? This will going to use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 10 symbols this will going to use. In case of binary, how many symbols this will going to use? Only 0 and 1. Okay, so if it is 0, I will going to write 0 and 0, and if it is 1, I will going to write 0 and
0
1,
and 1.
and if it is 2, I will going to write 0 and this 1, because this 1 will come here, this 1 will be shifted here or will come here, and this will become 0, and then for 3 it will be again 1 1, then again for 4 it will, this will become 0, this will become
0,
0, and this will
0.
become 1. For 5 again same thing, 1 0
1,
1.
0, 1.
For 6 it will be 1 1 0.
1,
For
0.
7 it will be 1 1 and 1.
1, 1.
Clear?
Yeah.
Understood this? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so for big number, so for large number, for large number, how it will be? It will be like, see, there is a technique. So what is that technique? That technique is, you have to write only 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, then 0 1 0 1, then here 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, then here 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1, again 0 0. Okay, so this 0 0 0 will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, this will be 5, this will be 6, this will be 7, this will be 8, this will be 9, this will be 10, and this will be 11. What is this? This is your decimal number. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Say if you have a very big number, very large number. Okay. So what is that large number? Let's assume that large number to be 1 minute. Okay. So let's assume that large number to be 10011. Okay. So there is a weightage assigned to these place value. So the weightage will start from right hand side. Okay, and that weightage will be what? 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, and 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so this is what? 2 to the power of 0, it is 1, 2 to the power of 1 is 2, 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So your decimal number will be 1 into 16 plus 0 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So this 1 into 16 I wrote here. Similarly, this I wrote here. Similarly, this I wrote here, this I wrote here, this I wrote here. So 16 1 ja 16. This will be 0, so I am not writing. This will be 0, I am not writing. This will be 2, I am writing that 1. So 16, 17, 18 plus 1, 19. So the decimal number is 19. Okay. So equivalent of decimal number 19 in binary is what? 10011.
10011.
Understood that?
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, if you want to convert this 19, okay, 19 decimal number, okay, is equal to 10011. Base is 2. This 2 indicates binary number,
Yeah.
binary number, and this 10 indicates decimal number. Okay, decimal number. Now how to convert this decimal number into binary number? So let's understand that also. So I will going to divide this by 2. Okay, so 2 8 ja
Yeah.
16. No,
16.
not not 8 ja, I need to take 9 ja,
9 ja.
right? 2
2
9
8
ja,
ja 18.
18. So I will
One.
get remainder as 1. Then again I will going to take what? This 9.
9
Okay,
in the
yes.
dividend and
2
2.
4 ja 8.
2 4 ja
I will
8.
get again 1. Then again I will
Then
going to
4
have,
divided by 2.
yes, 2 2 ja 4. I will get 0. 0 will not come here. Okay, so 2 2 0 ja 0.
0.
Remainder is 1. So while writing the answer, okay, we
We'll
first
reverse
write
it.
in reverse order. Yeah, so we will going to write first this, then we will write this, then we will write this, then we will write this, and then we will write this. So this is what is the binary number of equivalent of 19. So 10011 is the answer. Clear, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, what